Djel-veen is Mrs. Show-suf. Hi, I'm Show-suf from Bite Size Irish. And today, let's learn how to say nativity scene in Irish, as well as the names for the various figurines you'd find in a nativity scene. The word for nativity scene, or crib, in Irish is mawn-shayr. Mawn-shayr. It can also be called a beh-hel-een. Beh-hel-een. Mawn-shayr may remind you of the English word manger, and beithilín comes from the Irish for Bethlehem, beh-hel. A figurine in Irish is djel-veen. Djel-veen. Figurines are djel-víní. Djel-víní. We have one word for the baby Jesus in Irish, which is Ee-sa-gawn. Ee-sa-gawn. Mary is Muire. Muire. That's a form of Mary that's only reserved for the Virgin Mary. Yo-suf is Show-suf. Show-suf. Or Saint Joseph, Nayv Show-suf. Nayv Show-suf. Another version of Show-suf in Irish is Yo-suf. Yo-suf. The shepherds are Naoimh. Naoimh. Mwer-ah is a shepherd. Mwer-ah. The three wise men in Irish are na saoithe. Na saoithe. C is a wise man. C. They're also known as na ree-ha, the three kings. Na ree-ha. An angel in Irish is aingeal. Aingeal. They're often animals, ainmhithe, in a crib, such as a sheep, kwee-ra. Kwee-ra. A donkey, oss-ul. Oss-ul. Or an ox, dove. Dove. I hope you found this video useful. To find out more on how to improve your Irish, click on the link in the description box below and download our 10 secrets for practicing Irish every day. Slán go fóill.